So, you're looking to buy a snowplow and are comparing snowplow styles, brands, and costs. Which one's the best fit for you? I'm Cody with Titan Truck, and today we're going to compare the three main snowplow categories, along with their strengths and weaknesses, so you get the best plow for you. Now, in this video we're comparing new plows, but if you're looking to buy a used plow, this information will still be useful. As you probably know, there are really three types of snowplows: straight blade, v-plows, and expandable plows. Now, towards the end, we'll throw a wrench into that nice clean list with a kind of hybrid, but we'll get there. Straight blade plows are probably the most common. They've been around the longest, and though they aren't the fanciest knife in the drawer, they just get the job done. Now, like all plow types, straight blades come in a variety of size and price points. You could use a quality straight blade plow for just about any application. However, there are areas where they really shine. The first is for plowing driveways. Straight blades are ideal for pushing snow over shorter distances. This is because with a straight blade, the longer the distance or deeper the snow, the greater chance that you'll need to do a second or third pass to clean up your spillover. Now, driveways are a bit more forgiving since they are narrower than something like a large lot. Time spent in cleanup is probably not that big of a deal. Also, that same principle makes them ideal for small parking lots, as you're typically not pushing snow over really long distances and cleanup is minimized. Now, unless you add wings to your straight blade, you're going to experience more spillover than with other styles on larger parking lots. While many commercial snowplow operators use straight blades, they're also ideal for light use or the first-time buyer. They're less complicated to operate than something like a v-plow and require way less time to get the hang of. And, a bonus for the budget conscious, straight blades are the least expensive of the three main types of plows. At the time this video was made, Titan Truck typically stocks the Pro, Pro Plus, HTS, and Defender plows from Western, the Lot Pro and Drive Pro plows from Meyer, as well as the EX and MD plows from SnowDogg. But make sure to check with us after watching this video to see if we've added to or changed what we stock. The second style of snowplow is the V-plow. Okay, now V-plows, they just look cool, so that should be a reason enough to buy one, right? Okay, maybe not. The advantage of a quality V-plow is its versatility. A V-plow is ideal for pushing snow over long distances, as you can turn the blades in and scoop the snow. Also, its shape allows you to break through drifted or deep patches of snow. The fact that you can control each blade separately makes it extremely agile and a great choice for small parking lots as well. There might be times when you need to pull one blade in and direct the snow in a particular way. The V-plow is a great tool for this. V-plows are great for both commercial use and personal use, but they aren't for everyone. First, V-plows are heavier than straight blades. There's just more metal and motor to deal with. This means that some 3/4 ton and especially half-ton vehicles cannot support a V-plow. Also, if you have a V-plow and you are pushing snow over long distances, you may still need wings to reduce roll-off. V-plows are typically more expensive than straight blades, so they may not be ideal for a person on the tightest of budgets. That being said, they are worth the added investment if you are breaking through deep snow, need superior agility, and need the ability to maneuver in tight spots. At Titan, we typically stock Western's MVP Plus, MVP3, and Enforcer, Meyer's Super V3, and the VXF from SnowDogg. But as always, check with us first just to be sure. Who knows, maybe we've added to our stocking list. That brings us to the last category of plows, expandable blades. Or is that the last category? I say that because there's kind of a hybrid we're gonna throw in the mix, but let's get through expandable blades first. Expandable plows are considered by many to be the Cadillac of snowplows. Or if you live in Germany, maybe the Mercedes-Benz. In any case, expandable blade plows allow you to move the maximum volume of snow over long distances. Expandable blades are definitely designed for professional use, but that's not gonna stop us from selling you one for your driveway, if that's what you want. Seriously, professionals like expandable blades because they increase productivity, allowing you to push up to 40% more snow. This means fewer passes, less time spent on cleanup, and more time spent adding profit to the bottom line. Because of this, expandable blade plows offer a better return on investment, allowing the pro to recoup his cost more quickly. Now, just so you're aware, expandable blades are the most expensive type of blades. So if you're on a tight budget and just need something to get the job done with the lowest out-of-pocket cost, a straight blade or even a V-plow might be a better choice. And if you are a first-time plow buyer or are new to plowing snow, they do take a bit more time to learn than something like a straight blade. That said, expandable blade plows really set the standard for productivity. At Titan, we currently stock Western's Whiteout and Whiteout XL, Meyer's Superblade, and the XP from SnowDogg. Again, check with us after watching this video to get our most up-to-date stocking selection. And of course, if there is a Western, Meyer, or SnowDogg plow that we don't stock, we can still get it for you. Alright, as promised, we have to add one more plow style to the mix. Now, it's not really a category, but it is a unique model. This is Western's Prodigy. This is a fixed-width plow with adjustable wings. So it combines the benefits of a straight blade plow with the adjustability of an expandable plow without the learning curve. It's just easier to operate, and it costs a bit less than an expandable plow as well. So there you have it, the three-ish categories of plows compared. Each of the brands we've mentioned also have their strengths as well, and depending on your situation, one brand may work better for you than another. Simply call or contact us. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And if you're looking for a used plow, you'll definitely want to watch Larry going through the questions to ask before committing. That's all for now. I'm Cody with Titan Truck, and I'll see you next time.